Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. We're talking about our VULTURE skid assembly. This has a 7-gallon per minute 12-volt soft wash system laid out on a 48 by 48 inch aluminum pallet. So we have our soft wash system inside it's a 24 by 18 toolbox. We have our metering system right on top. That meters your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. We have our 2 Titan hose reels here. They're both hand crank reels. The top one's holding 200 feet of your 1/2 inch soft wash hose, and the bottom one's holding 100 feet of your 3/4 inch garden hose. And the nice thing about this is we have our locking connectors on here. So if you're installing this skid assembly in a truck, in a van, or on the side of a trailer or a flatbed, this will keep your hoses nice and secure. There's pin locks on the side to keep your discs from moving, but this just keeps the hoses in place. The garden hose feeds the 55-gallon water tank, and the water tank actually has a float valve inside of it. So once it fills, it'll automatically shut off the water supply. And then as it begins to deplete, it'll start filling that back up again. So you've always got a water reservoir available. We have a 55-gallon bleach tank and a smaller 7-gallon surfactant tank. Now you're not using anywhere near as much surfactant as you are bleach, so that's why we have a much smaller tank. And then move around back this way here, we'll kind of open up our soft wash system so you can see where the battery, and then we've got the pump. There's actually a charger and everything already included in here. The charging port is just on the right side of the box. And then we have the accumulator, all of it, just everything pretty much ready to go inside here. We do have vents on the box to keep it nice and cool and ventilated. This box does lock if you want to keep additional accessories in here and keep them secure. And then we also have a tank drain on our water tank. So from this side, it's kind of zip tied in place because we don't know if these are being shipped or if they're going to be picked up here at our location. But we have a 3/4 inch tank drain controlled by this water valve. So that you can drain it quickly, use it for washing your hands, filling a bucket or whatnot. The wind's really kicking up right now. And then we also have tank filters. So this filters the water before it goes into your tank, keeping debris or buildup out of the bottom of your tank. And we've got another filter at the bottom that filters it again once it goes down and through before it goes to your soft wash system. So this is a super popular skid. We use it a lot, especially in van applications or in truck bed applications. Everything is short enough. I believe it tops out at about 54 inches. We'll have it on the website with all of the exact dimensions and everything, but it makes it a really nice, quick fit, especially if you're new to putting together a system where you just need a quick assembly that you can take on and off as needed. So take a look at our website. Again, this is the VULTURE skid, and it's 3rpressurewashers.com where you can get all that additional info. Thanks.